All right, covering little high school football night scrimmages down at, I was at McConnell Talbert Stadium, and oh my, everybody there were talking about, it felt like October. It was beautiful.
Yes, it's like that fake fall that
we get. I know. Real fall. We all agreed 2 weeks when the high school's regular season kicks off, we'll be baking.
95 and tons of sun, and sunburns all around. Yeah, only a matter of time, right? You're looking live at Dublin down in Lawrence County. Temperature of 73. Yeah, at 10 o'clock on a 10 o'clock on a Friday evening, but hey, down towards Dublin, they got a lot of rain today, like out near Statesboro, almost 6 inches of rain over 12 hours. Yeah, all of the storms just rolled right up through Claxton and Statesboro and then right across the Savannah River. So we missed out on it here in Central Georgia. A few communities saw some rain today, but most of us stayed dry. Here's a live look at radar, but the green you're seeing is just backscatter, and the rain is continuing down there near the coast, adding to what they've already seen today, thanks in part to the stationary front that's down there. Temperatures in the 70s area wide, still hanging on to a few 80s across the southeast, especially closer to the coast there, New Orleans and Pensacola. But that front's going to begin to decay, and we're going to get our way back into the summertime pattern here over the day tomorrow. So waking up tomorrow morning, temperatures in the upper 60s in a few communities. I think we'll only get down to 70 here in Macon. Then here comes some scattered showers rather than scattered storms. I really think our storms are not going to be all that active tomorrow. It's just brief heavy downpours even through the later hours. This is 9 p.m. tomorrow. A heavy downpour possible north of Macon. Then once we get into Sunday, waking up in the 70s once again with some more scattered shower activity through the afternoon hours. Then once we get into next week, back to school for a few more school districts here in Central Georgia, looking at the average scattered shower and storm activity on Monday, not so much as on Tuesday. Now notice the blue here across Central Georgia. That's the European model wanting to bring some more scattered shower activity here into Central Georgia than the GFS, and it does it again on Wednesday. So as of now, we're keeping it at a 30 to 40% chance of rain for the beginning half of next week, but of course we'll be updating that through the weekend. So to put numbers to it, a 40% chance of rain tomorrow, 30% for Sunday and Monday, 40% for Tuesday and Wednesday. If you're just joining us for the first time since 6 o'clock tonight, got some updates for you here on the tropics. We're watching another area now, a 20% chance of development over the next 5 days with this one, 10% with this one, and then the one that rolled off Africa, still looking at a 50% chance of development over the next 5 days. The National Hurricane Center expecting a tropical depression to form out of this sometime during the week next week. And we've got a lot of time to watch this. It's still got to traverse the Atlantic Ocean before it gets anywhere in the neighborhood of the Western Hemisphere, really. I mean, we're talking about the end of next week before it even approaches the Lesser Antilles. So we've got a lot of time to watch it, and the models have been all over the place, so we've got a lot of fine-tuning to do with this one. The next names on the list, Fred, Grace, Henry, and Ida. Those are what's coming up here in the Atlantic Basin, and I think we're going to start going through them here pretty fast, especially over the next 3 to 4 weeks as we get into the peak times of hurricane season. 70 degrees the overnight low tonight, a typical summer night. We might see an isolated shower in a few communities, especially the further south and east you get. Winds out of the east at about 5 miles an hour. And here's your weekend forecast. A high temperature of 90 tomorrow with a 40% chance of rain, and then a 30% chance of rain on Sunday with a high temperature of 92 degrees. Here's how that all fits into your 7-day forecast. We are going to stay in the low to mid 90s each and every day next week with a 20 to 40% chance of rain each and every day as well.